In this video, we're going to find the value of 1 plus 2 plus ... plus n. And you know that n should be an integer bigger than or equal to 1. So the first thing we're going to do is find the first couple of terms. So the first term is 1. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. Then if we plug in 3, n is 3, we'll get 6. N is 4, we'll get 10. N is 5, we'll get 15. So on. So from 1 to 3, you have to add 2. From 3 to 6, you have to add 3. From 6 to 10, you have to add 4. From 10 to 15, you have to add 5. And you can see that this is just adding 1 every time. Because of this, this will be a polynomial of degree 2, so it'll be theta n squared equal an squared plus bn plus c. And so we know that f of n will be an squared plus an plus bn plus c. And we know the first couple of terms, so f of 1 will be 1, f of 2 will be 3, f of 3 will be 6. So we can just plug those three values in. So f of 1 will be 1, so this means that 1 is equal to, when n is 1, so this will be a plus b plus c. So f of 2 equals 3, so f of 2, you plug it in, so you get 3 is equal to, now you plug in 2, so for n, so you get 2 squared a, which is 4a, plus 2b plus c. And f of 3, you can plug that in, so that would be 6 is equal to 3 squared, which is 9, so plugging in this value into n, all the n values. So 3 squared is 9, so 9a plus 3b plus c. You do it one more time, so f of 4 will be 10. So you have 10 equals 4 squared, which is 16a, plus 4, which is 4b, plus c. So you can take these two equations and subtract them, so you get, so let's just do this first equation minus the second equation. So 3 minus 1 is 2, equals 4a minus, so we're going to do 1 minus 2. So this will be 2 equals 4a minus a is 3a, 2b minus b is b, and c minus c is 0. So you can just leave it like that. I'll call this 3 and 4. So what we want is 3 minus 4. So this will give us 10 minus 6 is 4, equals 16a minus 9a is 7a, 4b minus 3b is just b, and c minus c is 0. So now we have that 3a plus b equals 2, and we have that 7a plus b equals 4. So we can just subtract these two equations. So I'll just do, this will be 4 and 5. So we'll just get 4 minus 5. And we'll just say 7a minus 3a is 4a. B minus b is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. This means that a is 2/4, which is 1/2. So that is one part of the equation we need. So the equation is f of n equals an squared plus bn plus c. We also know that a plus b plus c equals 1 to get c eventually. So now we can plug in a into any equation. We'll just pick this one. So this will be 7/2 plus b equals 4, which is 8 over 2. Subtracting 7/2 on both sides, you get that b is 1/2. So now we know that f of n equals 1/2 n squared plus 1/2 n plus c. And we also know that a plus b plus c equals 1. And a equals b equals 1/2. So a plus b will equal 1 plus c equal 1. It's pretty obvious that c is 0. So finally, f of n is 1/2 n squared plus 1/2 n. You can factor out n over 2, and you're left with n plus 1. And so you get this as your final answer.